the theory of what should be decided on the name of the people is parasitic on a theory of justice of a certain kind to some extent, in the sense that, for example, the determination, say, of what kind of medical treatment I ought to be reimbursed to might be different in kind from the determination of whether you have an entitlement. Yeah.
Right, food, housing, I mean, there are lots of things that are currently governed by the private sector.
Well, the determination of whether you should be entitled to, say, public housing, or you should be entitled to, like, determination of the entitlement, so the regulatory function as opposed to, so it's still an argument about the framework of rights and entitlements as opposed to what happens once that framework is set inside of it. So, but there is a sense in which there is a theory of justice that constrains the kind of delegations that matter for this reason. In the sense, maybe, what flavor shops, what flavor of ice cream should be sold.
Let's take medicine.
Yeah.
Let's take medicine, right? I mean, there are two different regimes. One in which all the medical products are produced by the government, and the other is a regime in which it is produced by Pfizer and so on, and subject to the monopoly, and therefore I'm going to be subject after, right? I mean, so if we don't just assume that it is natural that medical products are produced by private actors, then we need to check whether they comply with the rigid.
So can I just?
Yeah.
So there is a minimal substantive constraint. So, like, medical products are the kind of rule of justice, unlike ice cream. We think that we have an entitlement of justice to, and that what I'm entitled to as a medical care, as citizens for medical care treatment, ought to be publicly determined. So that constrains the kind of relevant scope of my argument. Whether to some extent certain medical services ought to be publicly or privately distributed is a result, I think, in part of this argument, in the sense that if the provision of those particular goods is likely to entail decisions where the discretion is such that will involve a private actor ending up determining who's entitled to what, then I think we have strongly procedural reason of this kind to provide that power.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
We have